So guys, we would be discussing another problem from problem of position time plot from NCERT book. So the problem is the figure shows the xt plot of one-dimensional motion of the particle. Is it correct to say from the graph that the particle moves in a straight line for t is less than 0 and on a parabolic path for t is greater than 0? If not, suggest a suitable physical context for this graph. So, for less than t is less than 0, particle position time graph is this, and for t is greater than 0, the position time graph is this. And the problem is telling that this position time graph is parabolic path. So parabolic. So its equation would be like this: x is equal to a t square plus bt plus c, where a, b, c are constant, but at t is equal to 0, x is equal to 0. So its equation would be at square plus bt. If we do the differentiation, dx by dt, that is velocity v is equal to 2at plus b. If we differentiate it once again, we would get d square x by dt square is equal to acceleration of particle A, that is acceleration of particle, that is 2a. We would write it at a1 so that you should not be confused with the constant and the acceleration. Okay, so we see that during this motion the acceleration of the particle is constant. During the parabolic plot, xt plot, the acceleration is constant, and we also are looking that with increasing time the position of particle from the reference point O is increasing. Okay, so we would rather look into the second part of the problem, then we'll touch the first part. So the second part is seeking suggest a suitable physical context for this graph. So we see that the particle has constant acceleration during the motion. So for constant acceleration, a constant force has always to be applied on the particle. Okay, and the particle has been raised before the application of that constant force. So it is not very difficult to guess that the particle might be free falling under the gravity. So it would have a constant acceleration g towards the ground as a constant force mg is applied over the body, over the particle. So suppose a particle is kept on the top of a building and we give it a slight push, then it would free fall towards the earth, and at any instant of time it will have a constant acceleration g, and before the free fall the particle had been at rest on the top of the building. So this is a suitable physical example. Okay, now we come to the first part of the question. Is it correct to say from the graph that the particle moves in a straight line for t is less than 0 and on parabolic path for t is greater than 0? So the answer would be no by looking at this example, because the particle was at rest at the top of the building before it started free falling. Okay, particle was not moving in a straight line before t is less than 0. Okay, for t is greater than 0 it is free falling in a straight line towards the earth. So for t is greater than 0 also the path taken by the particle is not parabolic. Okay, so hope you have understood that this is the position time plot of the particle. This graph represents the position of the particle at various points of time, not the path undertaken by the particle during its motion. So it is very clear that it is not a trajectory, it is a position time plot. So we would understand this thing from another example. Suppose a student at t equal to 0, okay, at 0 had been at his home at x equal to 0. Suppose at x equal to 1 kilometer his school is located. So suppose at t equal to 0, suppose at t equal to 0 we take it at 9:15 am. So suppose at 9:15 am the student was at home and he left for school, and by 9:30 he reaches the school and keeps studying in the school for another 6 hours, and after 6 hours he returns back to the home. Okay, so this is the position time plot of the student. So during this time we see that the distance of the student from his home is constant at x equal to 1 kilometer. It is not the path undertaken during this time. He is staying at school. He does not move. So this is the position time graph. This is the position of the student at 10:30, at 11:30, 12:30. This is not the path undertaken by the student. Okay, Hope you have understood this thing.